Hello guys, nakapagtanim ako ng ampalaya. Ito yung ampalaya ko. So ngayon, ang dami na niyang dahon. Kukunin ko na. May ka-harvest na ako. Ayan. Makyat na kasi siya sa taas. Kailangan na.
And Aubrey was her name, a not so very ordinary girl or name, but who's to blame for a love that wouldn't bloom, for the hearts that never played in tune, like a lovely melody that everyone can sing. Take away the words that rhyme, it doesn't mean a thing.